everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the 7-Eleven app showing a network error. First, check your internet connection and make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is related to your network. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for 7-Eleven, swipe it away completely closing it, wait for a few hours and then reopen it. Then restart your phone to restart network connection and fix temporary glitches. Next, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the app and then make sure that the 7-Eleven app is updated to the latest version available. If you are using an Android, clear the app's cache from settings to apps, then 7-Eleven and storage, then clear cache. If the issue continues, reinstall the app to install a fresh version. Sometimes the error may be caused by temporary server problems, so wait a few minutes and try again. This can help. That's how you fix the 7-Eleven app's network error. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on